Hello students, this is your Amit sir and I welcome you all in English class. Students, today I will continue the same poem what I have started in my last video, and this beautiful poem is The Road Not Taken. This poem is written by Robert Frost, and students, I have given you the detailed um, explanation and the information and the introduction of the poet Robert Frost in my last video. If you have not seen that video, I am just telling you that go see the video first and then come to this video. Students, one more thing I am going to tell you at the first of the today's class is that if I am going to take any Google Meet classes, you must join. This is very important because what I can tell you live is will be very beneficial for you, and I can explain more clearly because there is no time foundation in Google Meet classes, and I can explain you everything related with the topic. Okay, so today I am just going to give you a detailed summary of this poem which will help you to understand that what are the importance of our choices in our life. Okay, yeah, students, this is the page of the poem The Road Not Taken, and this beautiful poem is very important for you because you are almost in your teenage, and teenage is very important to choose the appropriate things in our life, because what we choose in our teenage is reflected through the whole life. Okay, so first I am going to describe the poem, explain the poem line by line, which will help you to understand that what the poet had done in his life. So here you can see the five line stanza. Here there is a 5 line stanza. Two roads diverge in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. I am repeating. Two roads diverge in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler long I stood, and looked down as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Students, the poet is standing in front of a diversion. One road is divided into two roads, and the poet is thinking that which road he should take. The poet is thinking that at one time and be one traveler, he can just travel only one road. So he is sorry because he could not travel on the both road. He can't travel on the both road. एक बार में वह दोनों रोड पर ट्रैवल नहीं कर सकता है. That's why the poet is very sorry. Okay, so he is trying to see, peep into the forest. He is standing in front of a forest. Yellow wood. Yellow wood means a forest shading their leaves. एक ऐसा जंगल जो लीव्स को शेड कर रहा है. येलो फॉरेस्ट. ओके, एंड द फॉरेस्ट इज वेरी डेंस. डेंस मीन्स घना. ओके, सो द पोएट इज ट्राइंग टू पीप इनटू, झांकने की कोशिश कर रहा है. एज फार एज आई कुड, लुक्ड डाउन वन एज फार एज आई कुड. वह कोशिश कर रहा है कि दोनों रोड्स को देखने के बाद he could decide that which road he has to take. Okay, now moving to the second stanza. Second stanza. Then took the other as just as fair. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Thou, as for that the passing there, had won them really about the same. Now the poet is saying that which road he has taken. He took the second road, means the other road, and he left the first road. Okay, which was as fair. As just as fair means both road was fair and having perhaps the better claim, because the second road was fair. Fair कैसे हो सकता है road? Means it was less traveled. उस रोड पर कम लोग चले थे, and having perhaps a better claim means that road was claiming that I am better. Come on, okay, because it was less traveled, so the poet thought that he should take the second road, and the second road was claiming that it was a better road. It was better than the first one, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Grassy and wanted wear means it's a grassy, and because it's a less traveled, इस पर कम लोग चले थे, so it was tender. Wanted wear means very najuk. Okay, it was very najuk. There was lots of grass on that road. That's why the poet thought that he should take that road which is grassy and wanted wear and less traveled. The road was claiming, the more important thing is it was less traveled. कम लोग चले थे उस रोड पर. That's why he decided to take the second road. And both that morning equally lie, in lives no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how many leads on two way, I doubted if I should ever come back. The poet, as it was given in the last stanza, the poet left the first road, and he was thinking that both road was equally lie on that morning, and leaves were, the first road was having the trodden black leaves. Trodden black means the leaves are just crushed because of the much travel. The first road was not so tender and not so green. It was trodden, it was crushed, and that's why the poet left the first road, because it was much traveled. So many people had walked on that road, yet knowing. And the poet is saying that I kept the first for another day. मैंने पहले वाले रोड को किसी और दिन के लिए छोड़ दिया. But he is in doubt that if he should ever come back. वह डाउट में है कि वह कभी कम वापस आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. Okay? Now, I shall be, this is the last stanza, I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverge in a yellow wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. In the final stanza, the poet has cleared that that I shall be telling with a sigh means he is happy with his decision, and he has a relief of sigh. मतलब वो एक ठंडी सांस ले सकता है because of his choice, because of his decision. Somewhere ages and ages hence, बहुत सालों के बाद, he would tell that two roads diverge in a yellow wood. In a wood, एक जंगल में दो रोड बट रहे थे, and I took the less traveled low road. The poet has taken the road which was less traveled, and because of that, all differences has come in his life. The poet is not a common person, because he has taken some special decision which is not common for everyone, and he took the road which was not common, which was not easy for everyone. So, the poet is saying that we must focus. The last stanza is very important. The poet is saying that what he had achieved in his life because of his choice. He never chose the common thing. He always focused to be apart, to be aside of the crowd. He didn't want to be the part of the crowd. He didn't want to run in the common race. He wanted to make his identity. He wanted to make his identity on. That's why he chose the difficult things in his life. He did justice. He worked hard to prove that his decision was good. And because of these things, he became so popular, famous, and successful in his life. Students, this is the explanation and the summary of the poem, The Road Not Taken. In my next video, I will give you the critical analysis. Critical analysis का मतलब होता है कि इस पोएम में कौन कौन से टेक्निक्स यूज किए गए हैं, किन किन चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखा गया है, कौन कौन से फिगर ऑफ स्पीच या पोइटिक डिवाइसेस यूज किए गए हैं. Everything will be in that video, in the next video. Till then, I am giving you homework. Read this poem at least 10 times and try to sing this poem. Okay? I am singing once again. See. Two roads diverge in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and beat one traveller. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other, as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted weir. Thou, as for that, the passing there had won them really about the same. And both that morning equally lie in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverge in a yellow wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy learning.